is how to fund your wallet with Emmybest Ventures. You click on the app, then after clicking on the app, you insert your mobile number, or then you do that, insert the password just to get access, then you click on the get access. So okay, so after it has loaded, you click on my account, go to add money. That's you want to fund your wallet. Go to add money. Now there are three different ways in which you can fund your wallet, and we'll be talking about it right now. So the minimum amount you can fund is 500 naira. So let's just go with that first. So you type 500, then you go to select payment method, click on it, then it brings out the three options. Let's just go with the bank deposit to transfer. Then amount will be credited 500. You click on proceed. So it brings out the details of the bank in which you are going to transfer the money to. So then we can just click on this account number, press copy. Thank you. Then you go manually, dial your USSD code and transfer the money to it. Then you have to just have to contact the admin and inform the admin of your payment. Thank you. Then you go back to my account. Let's go back to my account just to check the second type of payment we can use. Second type of funding wallet method. So still click on 500. Let's go with 500. Or let's go with 1,000, Jerry. You cannot be funding more 500 every time. So select. Now let's click on AIRTIME this time around. So yes, the network type now, because we are funding through AIRTIME. So you can pick, well, let me just go with Glow AIRTIME. Because that's our Nigerian thing. So this is the number in which you are to. Now Glow AIRTIME is supposed to pay 650. If it is MTN, it's going to be 350. It depends. Each money depends. Now we entered 1,000 naira a year. That is why it is 650. So you just have to copy this phone number down, then send it into it. Send it, copy, then send the amount to the phone number. Thank you very much. You are just going to be given 65%. Please. Thank you very much. Then you press proceed. Then that's that on its own. So another method which you can use again is, let's go back to my account. So talk about the third method for wallet funding. Then add money. So now let's go with 500. Let's just go with 500. Then we can click on online. So select payment method. You have to click on what Flutter Wave. That's the only option, of course. Then proceed. Have to proceed. You can't go back. Then before proceeding now, we should make sure all information provided are, just make sure the information is correct. So you look at this number. This is your transaction ID. Just read the instructions to be clear, and then you pay your 500 naira, which I've already filled in before. Then you now click on pay now. So thank you. So this now, you fill in your card number, the number on your ATM card. I will not fill it so that you will not scam me. Then you can click on remember this card next time if you want. Then you can click on all this. Then you now click on your pay 506 naira, And if you know that you do not want this method, you can actually go back to change your payment method. Yes, so you can pay with card, pay with USSD, pay with bank, pay with transfer, but let's go with pay with bank. So you click here to choose. GT Bank is the best. You can just pick anything. Then you see, you can pay. You'll be redirected to your bank verification page to complete this payment. Proceed. So that's just what you just have to do. Thank you very much.